Welcome to the Learning Fun Zone. Today, we're plunging into the dynamic world of programming languages with J is for JavaScript. Just as we use languages like English or Spanish to communicate with each other, programmers use languages like JavaScript to talk to computers. Imagine being able to tell your computer exactly what to do and when to do it. That's the power of JavaScript. JavaScript is like the magic wand of the internet. It adds sparkle to websites, making them interactive and fun. With it, websites can change, react, and even play games with you. It's like going from reading a book to being in a live play. Do you want to know a fun fact? Despite its name, JavaScript has nothing to do with Java, another programming language. It's like calling a rhino a unicorn because they both have horns. So, are you ready to start your adventure in the exciting world of JavaScript? Hop on board, and don't forget to subscribe to the Learning Fun Zone for more fascinating journeys into the world of knowledge.